Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today we're tackling leftover bread slices with 4 incredible recipes. First up, we're going full send into cheesy garlic bread territory. Take those sad, lonely slices of bread and slather them with a mixture of 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 bulb minced garlic. We're talking like a whole bulb's worth, people. 1 TS dried oregano and a pinch of salt. Now, because we're not messing around, we're going in with not 1 but 2 types of cheese. 1 cup shredded mozzarella for that gooey stretch, and 1/2 cup grated Parmesan for that sharp, nutty flavor. Sprinkle that cheese on like there's no tomorrow, then pop those bad boys into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and starting to turn golden brown. And just like that, you've got yourself a cheesy garlic bread masterpiece that'll have everyone begging for more. Next up, we're diving headfirst into a classic comfort food bread pudding. Cube up 4 cups of leftover bread and let it soak in a mixture of 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of cream, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. You can even throw in 1/2 cup of raisins or chopped nuts for extra texture and flavor. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish, pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown and set in the middle. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of caramel sauce for the ultimate indulgence. For a breakfast or anytime treat, let's whip up some epic French toast. Whisk together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 TBS pea sugar, 1 TSF vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Dip 4 slices of bread in the mixture, making sure they're fully coated. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat, melt some butter, and cook those bread slices until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve those beauties up with a dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of maple syrup, and your favorite toppings. We're talking fresh berries, whipped cream, chocolate chips. Go wild! Last but not least, let's give those leftover bread slices a new life as crunchy breadcrumbs. Take 4 slices of bread, cut them into cubes, and pulse them in a food processor until you've got fine crumbs. Spread the crumbs out on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Let them cool completely, then store them in an airtight container. Use those homemade breadcrumbs to coat chicken, fish, or vegetables before baking or frying, or sprinkle them on top of casseroles and pasta dishes for added texture and flavor. There you have it, folks. 4 incredible ways to transform those leftover bread slices from sad and forgotten to absolutely epic. From cheesy garlic bread that'll rock your world to bread pudding that'll make you cry tears of joy, French toast that's perfect for any meal, and versatile breadcrumbs that'll elevate your cooking game, there's no excuse for wasting those precious carbs. So next time you find yourself with leftover bread, don't toss it. Get in the kitchen and whip up one of these delicious recipes. And remember, like and subscribe for more awesome food hacks and recipes. Peace out.